Welcome to FilmPhone's tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to create incoming and outgoing text messages. Start by adding a flow and naming it. From Build Mode, select the Messages app icon and then Conversation Setup. Here we have two options, Push Message and Live Message. Push Message is an incoming text that comes through as a notification. Live Message can be a single outgoing text or a full back and forth conversation. We're going to start with a push message. Firstly, select the contact you want the message to be from and type out the message body below. The option to lock the screen when the message arrives is also available. This means the actor can't accidentally unlock the phone or open the message if it is not required. If this is active, the screen lock can be deactivated by a quick triple tap on the message notification. Press back to save. Now, this is enough to go live if a single message is all that's needed, but whilst we're here, we're going to construct a conversation. Click Set up Live Messages. This screen is similar to the message history screen we saw in tutorial number 2. So here we're going to reply to the message we've just created from John before adding it to the conversation. We can see the message appear below in our live message list. We now want John to reply, but first we'll add a delay before John starts typing. We're adding a delay of 2 seconds, and again this will appear in our live message list so we can see each step we've made. Now we want to swap from sent to received before writing our text from John. After writing John's reply, we can set a writing time to add realism. We're going to say John takes 2 seconds to type his message. Add the message and we'll see our conversation take shape. Let's return to the home screen to go live with this flow. We'll start as always on a black screen, and this time we'll trigger the text with number 2 on a Bluetooth keyboard. Our notification appears. The actor can then click on the message to reply. Here we see the hi and hello we set in the message history earlier, plus our new text from John. Whatever the actor types here will type out your preset reply to avoid human error. Click the send icon to send the text. You'll see a 2-second delay before John types for 2 seconds before his message appears. A live conversation can last as long or as short as you set it to last.